if you ever want to go to a party and you are a lazy girl or you are a beginner or you lack knowledge in makeup, this, ladies and gentlemen, is your answer for your eye makeup. इससे बेहतर प्रोडक्ट शायद ही कोई होगा मार्केट में अभी जो मैंने यूज किया है. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kushi and you are watching Kushi Not Only Makeup. This video is about a viral makeup product which we have all seen by now, but this video will cater to the review and the swatches. So let's begin and let me reveal the name of the product to you. I'm talking about the Swiss Beauty Holographic Eyeliner. So these are 6 in color and I have all the 6 shades just for you guys. So I am wearing one of those shades on my lash line today. It's very mildly put just to give it a human look and not a very party look. So these are all the shades that I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers and each of them have a name also. So this is how it is packaged. This comes in a cardboard packaging like this, the name written on top along with the ingredients, the price, the shelf life, the quantity, everything is mentioned. So it is waterproof, smudge proof, long lasting, retractable. So I will crack down each of these claims if it works or not. Let me quickly first show you the swatches. And these are how the pencils look like. They are absolutely gorgeous when it comes to the packaging. They are holographic, at the same time they are color coded. So quite impressed with the way they are packaged. They are all retractable, so you don't have to worry for sharpening and for looking out for a sharpener always. This is how they look like and it's pretty convenient to use. So let me quickly show you the swatches. Alright, so out of the swatches I've noticed one thing. Shade number 3 and 5 look quite similar, but when I applied on my eyes they were quite different. One has a green undertone and one has a grey undertone. With green undertone I mean a green reflex with pink, and with the grey undertone I mean a grey reflex, like a silver reflex with the pink. So yes, they look same but they are not actually. So I have all the 6 shades. You can choose for yourself which one you like. So let me talk about the aspects of it. So as the box mentions this as waterproof. So now I have worn this in monsoons and throughout the day I was sweating, I even got wet, but this eyeliner did not budge. It had faded a bit but it did not come off. It was there for the whole day, from the morning like 11 o'clock till the evening 9 o'clock when I returned home, and you can see the videos for yourself. सुबह के टाइम पे and रात के टाइम पे it was quite well balanced, I would say. Then it comes to smudge proof. Yes, they did not smudge. वो panda eyes हो जाते हैं काजल लगाने से. It did not happen. They were as it is. जहाँ लगाया था वहीं थे, वहाँ से ही गायब हुए हैं जो होना था, but कहीं और spread नहीं हुए thankfully. So yes, it is a smudge proof and waterproof, passed, verified and ticked off the list. And then it also says long lasting. Definitely, जैसे कि मैंने पहले बताया, सुबह 11 बजे से लेकर रात को 9 बजे तक मैंने पहना था. उसमें से कुछ थोड़ा सा वो फेड ऑफ हुआ था. Other than that, it was lasting pretty well. This product passes the longevity test, smudge proof test, the waterproof test. Moving on to the pigmentation. So guys, the pigmentation is something जिसके ऊपर मैं इसे 100 दूंगी out of 10, because with one swipe today, I'll show you a close-up. Today I have applied just one swipe of the product. सिर्फ एक बारी मैंने लगाया है इसे and this is the result. एक स्वाइप में it is fantastic and a little goes a long way because इसमें इतनी बेहतरीन शाइन है that if you apply just one stroke it's gonna come through. आपको जैसा पसंद है, मोटा वाला आई शैडो लुक या फिर एक thin line या फिर on your waterline, you can do with it because these are super pigmented. और हाँ, विथ पिगमेंटेशन, क्योंकि ये इतनी ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है, इट इज़ अ लिटिल क्रीमी, वेरी क्रीमी इन फैक्ट, एंड ये ब्रेकेज के प्रोन भी है. सो यूज इट वेरी केयरफुली. आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू टेक आउट दिस मच ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट टू पुट इट ऑन योर आइज. इतना ज़्यादा ना निकालना, इतना मत निकालना प्लीज़, वरना ये डेफिनेटली ब्रेक करेगा बिकॉज ये बहुत ही सॉफ्ट है एंड जितना लगाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है उतना ही हमें पेंसिल से घुमा कर निकालना है एंड दैट वी हैव टू यूज़. अदरवाइज यू विल बी हार्ट ब्रोकन बिकॉज ये ब्रेक हो जाएगी. मेरे साथ ऑलरेडी हो चुका है एक बारी. मैंने बस बेख्याली में स्वॉचेस लेते वक्त आई जस्ट did that and it broke off a little bit of it, but then again उसको मैंने वापस अंदर डाला and घुमा दिया back to pavilion, तो वो वापस अंदर चली गई. And जब भी I use it I remember the color which has broken. So don't do it, be very very careful. Texture smooth, buttery, very easy to apply, easy to blend, बहुत ही quickly dry हो जाती है. So you have to work very fast with this one. So yeah, I give it a 10 on 10 for the ease of use, a 9 on 10 for pigmentation, 8 on 10 for texture because 2 points minus होते हैं for ये easily break हो जाती है इसलिए, and longevity smudge proof, 8 on 10 for sure because this product is my go to nowadays. जब से मैंने लिया है, मैंने t-shirts के साथ भी इसे पहना है just to test it out before putting out this video. So मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने के पहले 3 दिनों तक इसे अलग अलग शेड्स लगाकर अपने आंखों में टेस्ट किया है and it completely passed the test and I love the product and I highly recommend this to you guys because ये सारे वेदर के लिए बना है, समर, विंटर, monsoon and spring and autumn. So you can definitely give this a try. Amazon पर डिस्काउंटेड मिलता है ये. मैं सारे शेड्स के लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में डालूंगी और इसके तरह और भी सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट्स को I'm going to add in Amazon store. So don't forget to check that out and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already because you should be if you love to shop or you love to do fashion, beauty related talks. So definitely subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one super soon. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.